Look at these tiny grits, this tiny little grain, transformed into jagged, heroic blocks. When viewed under the microscope, is the building block of our sophisticated and technologically advanced world. They help us connect, entertain, communicate, and they make our lives infinitely better, touching our lives even in the simplest of ways, everywhere and in everything around us, making life faster, smoother, and most of all, safer. Without these small grits, ours might still largely be an agricultural society and the conquest of space merely a dream. These little grits push us to dream big and live even bigger, making materials work for man. CUMI. For more details, cumi-murugappa.com.